Which one of these should you choose as an individual developer? Amazon AWS, Firebase, or DigitalOcean? Amazon AWS is a pretty much well-known solution, but the biggest problem with it is it's very expensive and it's really complicated. But I mean, if you've ever tried as a developer, you know what does I exactly mean. Maybe it's good for big businesses, but as an individual developer, I would not recommend you to use Amazon AWS. Next up, we have Firebase. Firebase, in the other hand, is pretty much good solution. It's easy to implement, it's not complicated though, easy to set up, and you do have a real-time database. But the biggest problem is that you are logged into a Firebase ecosystem. By that I mean that you are logged into Firebase ecosystem, and if you want to use SQL and different kind of database, you are not allowed to do that. You are only allowed to use the Firebase own database. And here comes to the third one, DigitalOcean. DigitalOcean, on the other hand, is pretty much easy. It's extremely fast. It's not at all complicated. But the best part about it is that you are not logged into DigitalOcean ecosystem. By that I mean you are allowed to use SQL or any defined kind of database like MongoDB and other etc. And it's also pretty much cheap than the other ones. If you are an individual developer, I would recommend to use the DigitalOcean. So go and check it out.